Sa panahon ngayon, ang media ay isa ng mahalagang bahagi ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Mula sa telebisyon, radyo, dyaryo hanggang sa social media. Ang mga ito ay may malaking papel sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon, libangan at edukasyon. Bukod dito, ang media ay isang makapangyarihang instrumento upang mapalaganap ang kamalayan sa mga isyong panlipunan at makapagbigay ng inspirasyon at pag-asa sa mga aming tao. Sa kabila ng mga negatibong isyu, kaakibat nito ang media ay may mga positibong epekto na makatutulong sa paghubog ng mas malawak na pangunawa at mas...
So, good morning class.
Good morning, Miss Nicole.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
So today we're discussing about how media can have a positive effect in our lives. So who's gonna start?
Ma'am,
Yes, right?
it keeps us informed about important issues worldwide.
Yes, thank you.
Media connects us like to my pamilya tayo.
Another?
Ma'am, it also inspires us. I've seen many creative ideas online.
Good. How about others? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I promote the cultural difference and we learn about different countries.
You have all a great example. Media can truly be approached for good when used wisely. So, this is the end. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you.
So today, we're going to have an open forum. Forum circle.
First, I would like to start. First, I would like to share what my experiences in social media. Do you know I always follow online news, so I know what's happening online. I got into photography after watching tutorials online.
I've learned some new skills and improving online classes.
I'm probably learn about new play and want to be seen. Wow. Okay, good. Good morning.
Thank you for sharing your experiences about the positive effect of media. So,